It is my honor and privilege to co-sponsor the principal author of the Senate Bill number 2900 under Committee Report number 430 or the Special Defense Economic Zone Act. I wish to begin by thanking the good sponsor, Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, for ensuring that this important measure reaches the plenary zone of our legislative proceedings. The way I see it, Mr. President, sa pagpasa natin ng panukalang ito, we are effectively hitting two targets with a single arrow. The first target being economic development, and the second being the opportunity to provide our troops with a much-needed support. First, of course, is economic development. Hindi natin may pagkakaila na sa ating pagtatag ng Special Defense Economic Zone Act,